Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about dictionary. Dictionaries are another example of a data structure. A dictionary is used to map or associate things you want to store, the keys you need to get them. A dictionary in Python is just like a dictionary in the real world. Python dictionary are defined into two elements, keys and values. Keys will be a single element. Values can be a list or list within a list, numbers, etc. Dictionaries are optimized to retrieve values when the key is known. So let's create a new file, dictionary. So let's assign few subjects here, but we will define subjects like 1 the key and the value English, and the key 2 and the value math, the key 3 and the value physics, and so on. Subjects, and here is the dictionary. And if we select key 3rd, then it will show physics. Let's create another dictionary. Here the key is in a string. So we will call by key, so countries PK, and the result is Pakistan. Let's assign a value from dictionary to a variable. Subject is equals to subjects and the key 1. Just like that, we can copy the complete dictionary to any other variable. And we can add more elements to our dictionary by using update function. And we can see the items in the dictionary. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.